Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see and as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video we are going to be playing in some makeup, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this natural full face glam using makeup from Shein in a collection called Sheglam that they have. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out, and I'm going to be trying out everything for the first time and letting you guys know my thoughts as we go along. Shein has a Black Friday sale going on right now, so their items are even more affordable than usual. But if you are looking for some affordable makeup, whether you're a beginner, you want to just add to your collection, or you just want to save some money, I definitely recommend checking them out. Again, I'm going to let you guys know which items are my favorite and what my thoughts are about each item. But overall, the packaging of all of these items are so aesthetically pleasing, super cute and nice quality, and the quality of all of the items overall are really good. I just have my own opinions about each of them, so we are going to jump right into it. Again, everything will be linked down below. The first item that I'm going to be trying out is the Sheglam brow pencil. It is a super thin retractable pencil, as you guys can see here, and it is in a brown shade. I'm someone who likes my eyebrows to be pretty defined, and I felt like this worked nice. But I do have some sparse areas, so I went ahead and took their eyeliner as well, and I filled in the ends of my brows and then blended everything together. If you're someone who likes your brows very natural, I would recommend this pencil. I also think it's good for on the go, but if you're someone who likes a really defined brow, I don't think you're gonna get your full brow routine with this pencil right here. Moving on to skin, I am trying out this Good Grip Hydrating Primer. Now, this is just beautiful and super aesthetically pleasing, but I also love this. I always moisturize my skin and do skincare before makeup, but I normally don't wear a primer. I do love a dewy, glowy look, so I absolutely love how this left my face. It does have like a kind of cooling sensation as well, and it just feels very refreshing. So I definitely love this. This was a hit for me. I started off with the Bright Eyes Concealer, Cooling Concealer, which has these little metal tips on them when you apply your concealer, which is really nice as well. Super nice quality. However, I will say that this concealer is definitely a full to high coverage concealer. I definitely did not need to apply as much as I did, so I spent a while really trying to blend this out before moving on to the rest of the makeup because I didn't want it to be too heavy. I did go ahead and use my fingers to really smooth it into the face, and then I used this cute little alien beauty blender, which is also from the Sheglam collection, to blend everything out further. Moving on to foundation, they have this Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. Now, I absolutely love these. I found that neither of these colors were perfect for me. I got chestnut and almond, so I ended up mixing them together. I will say, I'm not a foundation wearer. I usually just wear concealer all over my face and like blend it out and then contour. But I actually really love this foundation. I found like this foundation was, in my opinion, something that I'm definitely gonna reach for and use again compared to the concealer. I feel like this concealer was super high coverage, way too bright for me, and just not necessarily what I'm looking for in a concealer. Next, look how beautiful the packaging is on this, guys. I have this Sheglam blush right here, and I went ahead and just applied 3 dots to each of my cheekbones and blended this out. I felt like it left a pretty effect, and honestly, looking back, I wish I just left it here, but I did want to try out more of the product, so I went ahead and tried this blush, lip, and cheek tint. However, I really think you're supposed to use this probably just on like bare skin and maybe not on top of other makeup. Applied this first, just 2 small dots, but I felt like it didn't do anything. So I applied some more, and I still don't think this was doing what it was supposed to. I don't think it was blending well on top of the makeup. I really feel like all this did was stain my finger, as you guys can see here. So moving on, I'm going ahead and trying out these cream contours. Now, the first shade was this super cool shade, and I was like, okay, maybe this is some sculpting effect. So I tried the golden shade to mix with it, and that literally looked like a concealer. So I was a little confused, but again, we're trying this all out, so I'm gonna make it work. However, I do think the product is nice. I just think I had the wrong shades. I think the cream blush and the cream contour actually are really nice consistencies, and nice products. I just think the contour shades, I needed different shades, and I wish I left that first original cream blush. But moving on, I have this beautiful setting powder. It is Hydro Touch Refreshing Setting Powder. It looks super light, like it literally looks pink, guys. I was super skeptical, but I went ahead and took this little powder puff that is also from Sheglam, and I applied this directly under my eyes, as you guys can see here. Again, I'm not a baking girl, so I was a little skeptical. That was all the powder products that I received from Shein, so I went ahead and set my face with my regular face powder. And then I took this super cute like alien UFO highlighter. It looks like the moon. It's just really cute. Like the packaging on all of these products is really, really cute. This highlighter is definitely like that iridescent kind of super white shade, which again, I don't normally go for, but if you're into that, check it out because it definitely is pigmented and it went on nicely. And again, I didn't have a bronzer or contour shade, so I went ahead and just contoured my nose, added a little bit into my eyes, and then I'm setting my brows with this clear Set Me Up brow gel, again from Sheglam, and I really like this. Definitely went on and actually made a difference. And I did use this in the beginning on my brows just a little bit, but I'm going in and taking this waterproof liquid eyeliner, and I absolutely love this. Again, packaging is on point, but this is super pigmented, very black. It went on super smooth and was easy to use, so definitely recommend this if you're looking for a liquid eyeliner. And then next, I have this all-in-one volume and length mascara. The packaging is cute, of course, and I love it because I thought it was gonna be like a primer and a mascara, but it has two different ends. So you get like that fluffy mascara wand, and then you also get the one that has the fine little teeth and it has a curved edge. So whichever you prefer, or if you wanna just use a combination of both, I really, really love that. I have super short lashes, so let's not judge that. But it was really easy to use and I was happy with it. They didn't send many lip products, but I am going ahead and trying this Mega Lip Stacks. You can unscrew any of these shades and it actually has multiple shades in it, which is really cool. However, I did not put on a brown lip liner and I wasn't really in love with how this looked. So I went ahead and took their lip plumper and I applied this on top. I went ahead and set my makeup with some rose water off camera and this is the final look. Considering I tried out all of these items in this video today for the first time, I think it came out pretty good. And honestly, I was pretty impressed with every single item. The only items I would say aren't my personal favorite was the concealer, just because I'm not a full coverage, really thick concealer girl. However, if you are looking for that, definitely check this out because this concealer is super affordable. I would say my favorite from all of the items that I did try out would be the Hydro Grip Primer. I loved how it felt on my skin and prepped my skin for the makeup. I also loved the eyeliner. It's super pigmented. I have a hard time using eyeliner and I felt like the pen is really easy to hold. It was super pigmented and easy to apply as well. I also did love the setting powder. I felt like it was really cooling and refreshing going on and it definitely brightened up my under eyes. And I also loved the cream blush. I think I would have loved the cream contour as well if I got different shades. Let me know what you guys think down below and let me know if you guys try out any of these products yourself. Let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.